Hi, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to get your first Bitcoin wallet address. So I'm a developer. I've been building crypto tools for investors to help them find better cryptocurrencies to invest in and know when to buy and when to sell cryptocurrencies since the end of 2017 when I first myself got into Bitcoin. So I know exactly what it's like where you're hunting around the internet everywhere looking for some advice on how to get started with Bitcoin, what wallets to use, what wallets not to use. You're not too sure what you can trust and what you can't. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you free, which you can download today. Plus, I'm also going to be sharing with you one little bonus tip, which will cost you some money this time, but it's only like about $100 and it's super secure. $100, I mean £100. I don't know what that is in dollars, probably like $800 or something, no idea. And just before we get started, just to let you know, this video is the first in a 5-part series where we're going to be looking at number one, just what this video is right now, how to get a Bitcoin wallet address, how to make money trading cryptocurrency, and number 3, how to transfer Bitcoin to PayPal. So I get asked that an awful lot. And how to mine Bitcoin. And the last in the series is going to be how to create a passive income with cryptocurrency. So these are the 5 questions which I'm getting asked all of the time, whether that's from members of Moocharoo Ninja or just right here on YouTube. So this series is really for you guys starting out in crypto, and I hope you learned something, and feel free to tell me if you did in the comments below and give us a little thumbs up too. Right, okay, without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, just before I share with you the free ways that you can go ahead and set up your own Bitcoin wallet address right now for free, I thought we should talk about what you shouldn't be doing. So if you open up a browser and do what most people would do, just go to bitcoin.com and download the free wallet there. Do not do that, because that is the core wallet for Bitcoin, and every single time you want to run that wallet, it's going to have to sync with the blockchain, and depending on when the last time it was that you run that, it could take a few hours just to actually turn on the wallet. And the first time you download it and install it, it needs to download the entire blockchain, which could take anything up to a week, maybe more, depending on your internet connection. It's only really for developers or people that are going to be doing Bitcoin mining that may need to use that core wallet. For normal people just using Bitcoin day to day, that is not what you want. So let's get into it, and we're going to take a look at number 1. Firstly, Electrum. So unlike the core wallet where you need to download the entire blockchain, what Electrum does is it stores the Bitcoin blockchain on a server. So you only have the sort of front end wallet, if you like, which then connects to the server. So the entire blockchain is there all the time, updated, and is a lot easier to use. So it does mention here that there's a warning for Electrum versions, and to only actually use the one from the Electrum site. So this is electrum.org. Make sure you don't download the wrong one. Just hit download when you're there, and I'm using Windows today, so I'm just going to download this Windows installer. And once you've downloaded that, just head on over here, give it a double click, accept that, and just go for a basic install wherever it wants to go. I wouldn't change anything myself, and that's it. Just takes a couple of seconds to install. Then you can see we've got a new Electrum sign come up here. So that was the installation one. This is the actual program itself. So double click that one and we should get the wallet come up. Here we go. We've got auto connect. We'll just go with that. Press next. Should we call it a default wallet? Let's call it the Moocharoo wallet. There we go, a Moocharoo wallet. And go for this standard wallet. Oh, you can do a multi-sig wallet, so if you're extra security conscious, you can go for that. It means you need different people to sign off transactions before they're made. Import wallet addresses or private keys. So you've got a lot of functions on this. It is a very well respected wallet, this one, Electrum. It's been used for quite a few years now. and it has been pretty good. So let's just create this as a new seed, because if you're watching this video, you're doing this for the first time, and SegWit will be fine for us. So just click next. This is the really important part. So this is the generation seed. You're going to really want to store this offline, so don't have it on your computer even. Just maybe print that out and put it somewhere safe, like in a safe. And if you should ever lose the wallet, maybe your computer should break, your house burn down, whatever it is, as long as you've still got this generation seed, you'll be able to download the Electrum wallet again, put in this seed, and recreate your entire wallet. The only downside to this is if this seed should fall into the wrong hands, then those people will also be able to generate your entire wallet and send your funds off to their own accounts. So please keep this super safe, and once you're happy with that, just click next, and it's going to ask you to put in this again. And you can't paste it in, so you're going to have to make sure you wrote that, unlike me. Okay, so once you've got all that in there, just click next again. And for password, just put in anything that you like. Now there's this little checkbox here to encrypt the wallet file. Definitely suggest leaving that checked and making sure it is encrypted. I have just used a weak password, which is fine because this isn't something I'm actually going to use. And then it's just going to throw up this quick little security check just to tell you to always use the latest version. Just accept that, put yes. And here you go. Now, if you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address, all you need to do is click the receive, and right there, that is the Bitcoin wallet address. You can use the little button to copy it over there, so text copy to clipboard, and if you just open up a notebook, you can just paste that straight in there, and that is it. What I usually do with Bitcoin wallets is just, before I send anything, I just check the first few letters and the last few and just make sure that they're the same. Plus, another thing to mention with this, you also have this QR code as well. So if you're sending maybe from your mobile device, you'll be able to just scan that QR code and just send yourself some Bitcoin over to your Electrum wallet straight away. And it is that simple. So this is the history, the send, the receive, a very simple wallet, very easy to download and install in probably less than a minute. And let's move on now to number 2. So what you're looking at now is Blockchain.com, and over here we're just going to sign up for a new Bitcoin wallet account, but you do not just get Bitcoin like the Electrum wallet. With this one we're also getting Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar Lumens, so there's a few different options as to what you can hold on this. And yeah, so let's just go straight ahead and install this. So for the purpose of this video, I am just using a test email account. Obviously, you're going to use your own, and just click there to say you've read their terms and conditions, even though I haven't. And that's it. Straight away, in what is that? That must be under 30 seconds. Oh, you can also get some free Stellar Lumens as well. I didn't know that was still running. That's right. So this is part of the Stellar Lumens airdrop. I believe they're giving away like $1 million worth of Stellar Lumen or something. And you can go ahead and do that. I don't really want to do that right now. I don't know why I clicked on it. There we go. We'll just get rid of that for now. And here, where's our Bitcoin wallet address? If we do received, sent, transferred, how can we receive? Here it is. This is the request button up here. So just request Bitcoin. And same again, there you go, that's your Bitcoin wallet address. And that was even quicker than Electrum to set up. And of course with this one, we don't just have Bitcoin, we've also got Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and Stellar Lumens as well. And also this stablecoin, which is brand new. I didn't even know this one was in here. This is Pax, which is a pretty stable stablecoin, actually one of the most stable of all the stable coins that there is. And that's it. Send, receive Bitcoin straight away under 30 seconds at blockchain.com. This is an online wallet, so it's safe-ish, not been hacked as far as I know, but certainly if you have a wallet which is downloaded on your PC, kept on a memory stick, something like that, is going to be safer for sure. So now let's move on to number 3. So for number 3, we're looking at WireX. And I actually did a video all about WireX just a few months ago. and it still to this day remains my most favorite thing in crypto. So what WireX does is it allows you a way not just to have a Bitcoin wallet, but a way to transfer from fiat paper money into your Bitcoin wallet and vice versa for pretty cheap. These guys are also, if you can see that there, it says FCA. That's like the SEC that they have in America, but this is the UK version. That's the Financial Conduct Authority. So these guys are fully regulated by them, so you know your funds are pretty safe. But you also get this. This is the WireX card. This is what allows you to actually spend your Bitcoin in the shops, and these cards are available in British pounds, US dollars, or euros, and it is so simple to use. So you can set up your account and you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, pound sterling, US dollars, euros, Australian dollars, Hong Kong dollars, all sorts of different cryptocurrencies as well as normal fiat currencies that you can use with this. And unlike in my original video where I said that it was free, because it was free to transfer from fiat money into crypto back then. However, since they've updated the app, they've now got this new app. You'll see that there are over-the-counter rates. Okay, this is OTC rates, over-the-counter, and it normally works out for me to be about 1%. So if I'm sending $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, I'm actually going to get maybe like a $10 fee for that, which I'm happy with compared to something like Coinbase. It is absolutely fine, nothing to worry about that. So WireX, if you want to know more about that, maybe click the link, watch my video on that. It is super cool. I love it. Most favorite thing in crypto, but it's not the only thing out there like this. So there is also something called Coin. This is my very first one, which I started out. You don't need to get the card. You can just log in, sign up, and just get a free Bitcoin wallet address straight away that you can start using. Pretty similar to Blockchain.com. So it will be an online wallet. But there's also 10x as well. 10x allows you the card. This is more for people if you're out in Far East Asia, in Australia, Hong Kong, places like that. They're very strong out there. 10x is great. And you've also got Crypto.com, pretty new to the market, but they do own Crypto.com, so I should imagine they'll be pretty big in a few years. They're quite nice. I know somebody that's got one of those. And then there's Coinbase. So Coinbase playing catch up now. They've just released their new card recently. However, I would not recommend that at all. In fact, I would recommend you stay well away from Coinbase. They are ridiculously expensive. About 4% is what they charge. Whereas I said WireX now is about 1%. With Coinbase, it's about 4% to transfer funds from paper money into crypto. Not something I'd recommend at all. So there you have it, guys. That is 3 really simple ways that you can use to get yourself set up with a Bitcoin wallet address right now. In the next couple of minutes, there'll be links to all of those websites down below this video in the description. And if you want the bonus tip, this is what I really recommend you do if you're serious about investing in Bitcoin and holding maybe more than $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. I'd certainly recommend you get one of these. This is a Trezor hardware wallet. So this is a physical device. You can store more than just Bitcoin on there, as you see here. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Dash, I think that is Zcoin, NEM, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic, plus 1,000 more. All of the ERC20 tokens you can imagine. Absolutely anything you can store nice and safely using the Trezor wallet. It is absolutely fantastic, and they've now got this new version out. I don't own one of these new ones yet, although I will be buying one sometime soon. Again, a link down below this video if you want to get yourself one of these. This is a hardware wallet. You do not get more secure than this. This is as secure as it gets. There is other hardware wallets out there, most notably the Ledger Nano S. It is a lot cheaper, but in my opinion, is just really not all that fancy at all, and I just don't really like it much at all. So I much prefer this, the Trezor, and it's never let me down. It is so secure. I believe this is what the guy, if you've heard about the exchange out in Canada, where the CEO of the exchange actually died with about 150 million worth of Bitcoin on his own personal Trezor wallet, and that was other people's money, and they cannot hack it. It is absolutely unhackable, so that money is gone. There's not really anything they can do with that. So there you go. Trezor wallets are gonna set you back for a Trezor One 69 euros or 149 euros for the brand new Trezor Model T. Very, very good, ultimate in security for crypto. And that's it, just a little bonus tip for you, and we shall see you next week. Yes, next week we will be releasing the video for how to make money trading cryptocurrency, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, make sure that you're notified of all of our upcoming videos, because we're also going to be doing a video soon called how to transfer Bitcoin to PayPal, which is going to be very interesting, and obviously how to mine Bitcoin as well, and don't forget the last one, how to create passive income with cryptocurrency. So we've got a lot to cover over the next few videos. Really hope you stick around and maybe hopefully learn something and enjoy it all the same. Please comment below if you have any more questions. And that's it from me. See you again soon.